Hi, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to create a LWJGL project using Maven. You can use any IDE of your choice to create this Maven project. For this example, I will be using IntelliJ. Let's get started. So I'm going to create a new project and select it as a Maven project. Choose my SDK. I don't need to choose any archetype. I just need a simple simple clean Maven project. Click next. Name your project my LWJGL Maven project. Select your directory. I'll just pick any directory I want. I can just call it my tutorials. Select it, and maybe I should create another directory and name it the same as the project. Just be aware that the name you give to your project doesn't IntelliJ doesn't automatically create that directory for you, so you need to explicitly create the project's directory. Otherwise, the root of the project will be let's just say I select this directory, my tutorials. If I specify the directory as my tutorials, the project's root directory will be my tutorials. So remember to create a directory with which you want the project to be inside as the root directory. Okay, let's finish and wait for IntelliJ to create the project for us. Wait for building. Okay, so this is a clean, pure Maven project with the Pom Xml as our XML file for the Maven project. So let's go to LWJGL's website. We can go to Google and type LWJGL Maven. LWJGL download. The first link. We choose customize, release. There are many options to choose from. My personal preference is to choose everything under presets, click all the add-ons, even though if I don't use it, I can still select them and import them. If I want to use them one day, I can just directly use them instead of coming back here to choose them again. The mode, I will choose Maven, and make sure you're selecting the right operating system. I'm using Windows x64, so I don't need to change it. Select the latest version, and for all the contents, I like to keep them all selected. Now you can choose to download the Pom.xml or copy to clipboard, but I personally don't like to directly download it or copy it. I would like to copy them one by one. So let's make sure. Under properties, the compiler source is version 17 for my JDK, so I like to keep it at version 17. I'll just copy those things under properties and paste them under my properties tag. For other stuffs, there's no pre-existing tags, so I can just copy them all directly. It's a very long list. Now paste. After you've pasted all of them, just click this button, which tells you to load Maven changes. It is building right now. Waited for building. Okay, it's done now. So Maven will find all the needed components online and download them all for us. Then it will build this project alongside those imported libraries. Currently, there is not showing any errors. It may be indicating that the whole project is built succeeded, but we need to make sure if LWJGL functions correctly. So let's go back to Google again and type LWJGL getting started. The first thing again. So we can just copy this whole code. Now under Java directory, which is the main directory for your Java code, I'll create a class. I'll just name it main. And I'm gonna paste this whole thing. Remember to rename your class, because this Java file is called main, but the class is hello world from the example. Rename it to main. And under there, I think I remember there's one more thing to change. This one. Okay, let's run this. Right click this main class and run. There you have it, a functioning, working LWJGL Maven project.